Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be talking about AMC Entertainment, currently trading at $9.80. So let's dive in and let's talk about AMC Entertainment stock, what's been going on with the stock in itself. So we actually did recently just get some awesome news about AMC. So we did have Wedbush. They actually just doubled their analyst price target on AMC Entertainment, probably leading a little bit to its 5% rally. And AMC does have earnings coming out tomorrow, which I'm super excited to actually see. Now, their expected EPS is negative $3.61. I don't expect their earnings to be absolutely fantastic because it is their quarter four earnings and a lot of the movie theaters were still pretty closed. But now that movie theaters have definitely reopened up, this stock is definitely getting a lot of eye openers. A lot of big time analysts are definitely eyeing AMC. What kind of started off as a meme stock has definitely caught the attention of investors, and this is a very good thing because a lot of people do see the proposed value of AMC Entertainment. Yes, a lot of people do speculate that, it may take a couple years before AMC can actually recover to its full business transaction amount. The fact that AMC had to take on a lot of debt to kind of stay afloat. Some analysts think that it's not a very good thing, but for me, sometimes you have to do whatever it takes to be able to stay afloat. Sometimes you have to do what it takes to make sure that you don't go under. AMC being able to save itself from bankruptcy when it was able to sell basically a lot of stock at the $20 mark when it had a rally about a couple of months ago. But now the biggest question is, now that it's trading around $10, a lot of people are wondering, is AMC Entertainment a very good buy at $9.67? Is the stock really worth the investment? And for me, I do think AMC stock is absolutely worth the investment. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But the reason I say this is because now that the economy has now reopened up and a lot of states are now reopening and or if not, they're getting pretty close to reopening. Entertainment businesses like AMC, Dave & Buster's, all these stocks are definitely going to see a lot of long-term and short-term increases. And the reason I say this is because if we take a look at it, these stocks were not only neglected for a very long time. A lot of people did rotate out of these stocks during the pandemic and they started putting their money a little bit more into tech. But if we dive in, people have not had the luxury to go to these places for a very long time. Places like AMC, people not being able to fly without a mask, stuff like that. So these stocks are definitely going to see a lot of short-term and long-term growth because of that, And this is definitely going to boost the outlook on AMC Entertainment stock holdings. Now, if we take a look at it from a bigger perspective, quarter one and quarter two earnings for AMC should be a lot better than what they're actually projected to be for quarter four. Like I said, now that New York and San Francisco have reopened up their movie theaters to a 25% capacity, although it's not full capacity, it's still better than nothing because San Francisco and New York City both drive the most profit when it comes to movie theaters of all the AMC kind of entertainment theaters. So this is going to be a very good thing for AMC. And a lot of people think that, the stock being pushed up high enough, AMC could definitely see another short squeeze. It could definitely see a huge push upward. For me, I could definitely see the same thing because there's people out there who are getting more bullish on the stock. It's no longer a meme stock anymore. Yes, it all started with a Reddit-fueled rally, and I can understand why people are kind of hesitant to invest in AMC. But there's a lot of analysts out there who are starting to get more bullish on AMC just due to the simple fact that, stocks like AMC definitely are poised for a huger recovery. So that's why people are starting to put more money into like cruises, airlines, entertainment stocks, hotels, because these stocks definitely are the safe move right now. These stocks definitely have the most upside potential compared to a lot of the EV stocks in tech because those stocks did see a large rally in the year of 2020. Obviously, during the pandemic, those stocks definitely shown a new face for themselves, but they've retracted a lot. Why? Because people are starting to rotate their money into stocks like AMC. They're starting to rotate their money into stocks like airlines and cruises and more kind of like safer bets like bonds and stuff like that. So, really diving in, it's actually not a very bad idea to buy AMC Entertainment stock at $9.80. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion, but the reason I say this is because the stock does have a lot of upside potential, and I definitely do have a price target of AMC of $20 by the end of the year because their earnings are only going to get better, and like I said, the pandemic is going away, so this is a very good sign for stocks like AMC. Now that movie theaters can now reopen up, and some of them are probably going to be reopening up to full capacity pretty soon, it's definitely going to drive a lot of business to AMC. Yes, a lot of people do speculate that yes, the stock does have a lot of stock dilution and AMC has taken on a lot of debt, but like I said, it's just part of the process, making sure that the company can stay afloat. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Even airlines had to take on debt to be able to stay afloat. A lot of other companies had to take on debt to stay afloat, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that altogether. So if we dive in and we actually take a look at it from a bigger perspective, there's nothing really much that, people can really argue on the bear side of AMC. Yes, a lot of companies out there do have debt. That's completely normal, but if we look at AMC, this stock has so much upside potential in the short and long-term future that it'd be almost dumb not to invest in AMC. Now, no one really knows what the price target's going to be. For me, right now, it's $20 by the end of the year, but obviously that could change. Like I said, it started off as a meme stock, but it's definitely proved itself to the world. Even taking a look at the 3-month chart, it's still up 171% of its value. And even taking a look at the 1-year chart, it's still up 147% of its value. So people are definitely getting a lot more bullish on the stock. And a lot of people do speculate that it's probably from a lot of people who are just holding the stock and don't really want to sell it. But that doesn't explain on why the stock will continue to rally day after day after day. And like I said, they do have earnings tomorrow. I do think AMC Entertainment is going to go ahead and beat their earnings. The reason I say this is because, yes, I don't think their earnings are going to be absolutely fantastic, but I think the numbers are going to be decent enough for the stock to have a little bit of a rally. So I'm very excited to see tomorrow what AMC actually brings to the table, along with a great analyst upgrade. So, like I said, Wedbush did double its analyst price target, which is always a very good sign when you have analysts upgrading the stock. It looks very good on the stock in itself, and it really shows that there are analysts, just like some other people out there, who are bullish on stocks like AMC. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. If you truly believe in the investment and you truly believe in the business model, there should be no reason why you guys are not investing in the stock. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. Do you guys think AMC Entertainment stock is going to hit $20 by the end of the year? If you guys own AMC Entertainment stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.